So I know what you must be thinking. Okay, this is fine for consumer markets, but how am I go about segmented industrial markets? Well, it turns out that you can follow a very similar approach. At the very basis, you will start by easy to identify company variables. Demographic variables such as the company size, the number of employees, the industry sector in which it operates, and even where are some of the factories or offices located will be a first approach. You might also look into operating variables. These are somewhat still relatively easy to get, such as the company technology, what will the product be used for, specific customer capabilities, whether they like more on the technical side or on the financial side, or even their purchasing approach. What is their purchasing organization? Does it involve many departments, engineering, purchasing, financing, etc.? And what are the power structures between these different structures within the organization, which are specifically a little bit harder to get. Once you start getting deeper, you might get into more situational factors, such as what is the urgency of fulfillment, or what should be the lead time on the delivery of some of the orders. What are the specific product applications for which they will be using our product or service, or even what are the minimum order sizes or maximum order sizes which they would like to be served. And finally, you go into more specific personal characteristics and all the way up to the more strategic basis for segmentation, which is what is the level of impact that I will be able to have in the profit and loss statement or in the profitability of that company, in which case, if it's very high, it immediately will become a strategic partner. Okay, so I have depicted this progression of levels of difficulty in this hierarchical level approach, which essentially resembles some of the basis for segmenting consumer markets. As you can see, segmentation is a critical tool to be able to understand customers and segment them properly to have any chance at being able to fulfill their needs or satisfy their wants in a meaningful way and better than some other company. Now, you have the tools to be able to carry out a proper segmentation, either in industrial or in consumer markets. In the next section, I'm going to deal with a couple of research methods that will help you precisely to accomplish that goal.